Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile. I have Anthony Biondo behind the lens, getting in every skate park in NYC if you guys have not been watching. This is episode 34. We are at the Bruckner skate park in the Bronx, New York. And today I have Billy Watson and my man Gustavo. We're gonna show you what this park has. With that being said, let's just get right to it. All right, guys, just walked in the park, and here's your first feature. This metal bench. Looks like two of them right next to each other. I think they're just concreted into the ground, so you're not gonna move them, but there it is, the bench in Bruckner. First clip of the day. That's my job. It's bullshit. I was gonna say, you could use this. It's built right into this bank, so that's kind of nice when you see that. Oh. We're in the way, so the bank next to this perfect quarter. Hey, ¿qué querés? I got it. I think I got it too late. Yeah. Fire the cameraman. Woo! You good?
I can tell that was the first time. Nah, he ate that shit for breakfast.
Got this little hip section right into the bowl section, this whole back section. This side, it's got another quarter pipe, literally like a mirror image, and yeah, another hip. The bowl section and the quarter pipe section, you drop in and hit this nice fun box. It's kind of weird because it's like just put in the middle, so you have to be ready for it when you're dropping in. Smaller on that side, gradually gets bigger on this end.
So small.
You got a nice big ledge right here, Hubba, and this nice pyramid. It's small, but it's pitched kind of steep. It's small, so you know what? Get after this thing. Let's show you the other side and the rail that's built into it. I doubt anyone's hitting it from this side, but I bet you can. Check this side out, this perfect little rail. This side of the Hubba too. Definitely a lot smaller when you get up the ramp. I think this is a perfect little feature for this park. That was a one-footer. Again? Not again. It's a quarter pipe, but over there is a quarter pipe. So you have yourself a mini, but it's kind of weird. It's like sloped that way. So it's a little awkward, but it's still a mini. Here we go. It's getting real. My ass hurts. And the ground report, okay, hold on. Ground report, what's the ground report, Billy?
Ground is dry. Ground is dry and we're here and we're skating.
Well, because it's a concrete park, the ground is smooth, so it's rad. So I give it the thumbs up. I hope you liked the Bruckner Park. The vibes were good here. Everyone was super cool. The park was nice. I have no complaints. Big shout out to Billy Watson, Mr. Onesium, and Gustavo Angel. A few more parks to go in the Bronx, but we're wrapping this one up. I'm tired. The guys are hungry. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Please subscribe to our content. You can find us on Facebook at Rad Boardsport Co. Also on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. If you guys like the merch that you see, or check out the interactive map that we have on our website at www.radboardsport.co. We came, we saw, and we skated. Catch us on the next episode. Time to get some grub. Ride all day. I'm out of here. No gang signs. Nice.